Hello, my dear students. Let us understand about the occurrence of aluminium and about its ore and minerals and all that. So, let's study about aluminium. Aluminium is the third most abundant element in the Earth's crust, but the most abundant element among all the metals. Element is the major component of many igneous minerals such as mica and clay. Some gemstones are impure form of Al2O3. Example ruby, which is having the Al2O3 and the impurities of chromium. Same way, the another gemstone is sapphire. Sapphire is actually Al2O3, which is having the impurity of cobalt present in it. So this is how these gemstones are also available. They are mostly the aluminium oxide having the impurities of these metals, which gives them the color. For the purpose of extraction, bauxite Al2O3 into XH2O is chosen for aluminium. So we can say that bauxite Al2O3 into XH2O is an ore of aluminium from which aluminium is mostly extracted. This is how we can understand. Then we have to understand about the another element which is known as iron. Iron is the fourth most abundant element in the Earth's crust, but it is the second most abundant metal. Iron forms a variety of compounds. Iron is very useful as a metal as well as its compounds. So iron is very useful as a metal. Apart from that, the compounds of metals and alloys of metals are also very useful. So iron is very useful as a metal as well as its compounds and alloys are very useful. So iron is very important element. So this is why iron is very important element. Iron is one of the essential elements in a biological system because hemoglobin present in the body is responsible for the oxygen transfer is made up of iron, or it has iron in it, and that is why iron is very important even for the living beings. For extraction of iron, oxide ores like hematite, that is Fe2O3, and magnetite, that is Fe3O4, are used. So these two are the chief ores of iron from which iron is easily extracted. These ores do not produce polluting agents. Which two these ores? These oxides, they do not produce polluting agent, and that is why they are preferred. But if you use siderite, there is a possibility that carbon dioxide gas is produced and which causes the greenhouse effect. Or iron pyrites, if it is used, it will definitely produce the sulfur dioxide gas. That is also a pollutant. So siderite FeCO3 or iron pyrites FeS2 may produce polluting agents, mostly like sulfur dioxide in case of FeS2. That is why we avoid to use these ores. For the extraction of copper and for the extraction of zinc, any of the listed ores can be used for extraction depending upon the availability and other relevant factors. So this is what we understand about the various elements and their ores. I hope, my dear students, you are enjoying. Happy learning.